Hello fellow surfers, welcome to Flavour Tasters, the food and beverage review channel, and all things related to food, beverage, health, and yada. So, green screen is, don't know how because it's orange, but green screen. This is the thumbnail of this. Anyway, so just letting this cool down a little bit. Just came out of the oven, but interestingly, this doesn't even feel like chicken, and it's obviously bird's eye chicken, but it doesn't even feel or look like. Anyway. Tastes like chicken. The sauce, however, it's a little bit of a barbecue-y flavour to it, but again, it doesn't feel like chicken. I mean, I guess you could argue lightly has an almost chicken texture, but it doesn't feel like it, even though it is chicken. Yeah, it's just got more of a chicken flavour rather than barbecue. Let's see. Let's see what the price was again. So £2 or £2.50. £2.50 in Asda, which is where I generally get my shopping from, or Tesco. But yeah, it's more just chicken flavour. The barbecue is lightly there, but it's nothing like you could notice it greatly. Mushy chicken. That's all I'm getting from this. I'm going to give this a review. I'm going to say like straight in the middle. 5 out of 5. I mean, the chicken tastes decent. It's got a little bit of barbecue flavour, but it's very light. Yeah, 5 out of 10. Not really worth it. I wouldn't purposefully go out my way to buy this again. Maybe if I was picking it up, seeing it cheap, I was just throwing things into a into a basket or something. I might, when I'm just looking for something. Maybe if I redid a review on it, maybe something like, oh, I haven't tried this before, forgetting, I may throw it in, but typically I wouldn't buy it as like a part of my diet. It's meh. If you want to try it, you can try it. If you've done a review on this and you agree with what I'm saying, please let me know in the comment section below what your channel is and where the video that you've reviewed this is. Or you can go into the links in the description to Discord as well, post the link there. If you don't do reviews on YouTube or video format, but you still have had these before and you've got an opinion on this, let me know if I'm spot on, 5 out of 10, or if I'm actually being nice, or if it should be a little bit better. But I'm going to finish it off. It's not terrible. Like I said, it's right down the middle. I'm not going to waste my money. But yeah, 5 out of 10. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, select all notifications, strike the like, share the content and all of the good stuff. Leave your views and opinions down in the comment section below. There's a little bit of a barbecue aroma by the way, but it doesn't come out in the flavours. But anyway, leave your views and opinions down in the comment section below and check the links in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!